WITSON.
Hi guys, Rob from Icebox Auto here today. You love the sound of my voice. Loads of videos recently because of loads of installs. It does tend to go a little bit slow on the videos. Only reason being is because we only take videos of products, cars that we haven't installed to before. Obviously you don't want to be multiple videos online of the same car, so obviously that's why we have a bit of a break, because obviously we get loads of cars in from the videos that we put on YouTube. So obviously it's nice to get a new car in. This is the Astra K, K for kilo. So obviously you can notice by the dash there, you'll know exactly if you're an Astra J owner that you don't have a dash like this, because I say it's the new version, it's the facelift version. We get a lot of questions because some of the systems are only predominantly made for mass market in Europe, which basically means you get kmh there, but obviously you've changed it now, so you can change it to miles, which is a good feature now, because it's I never used to have that. What you see in this little box here is your Google Maps here. If you want to go into there, obviously it's an internet connection type of system application, so obviously you wouldn't need an internet connection. You can download an offline version of Google Maps by going into the application and basically going into settings and doing it that way. But also this comes with a 4G SIM card input, which is a little cable that goes into the back of the screen. It goes in a glove box or whatever you want to put it. Put a SIM card in it and it'll give you an internet connection that way. You can put some offline maps on there if you want from the Play Store. So I'll just give you a little quick demonstration of what the system's got to offer. And then I'll just bring it to an end. But as I say, you can add things to this like a rear camera, which we haven't done today, TPMS, which is tyre pressure monitoring, OBD modules, DVR cameras. You can stick them to this type of system. It works with the steering wheel controls, so as you can see I'm doing it in the background. I'm going to keep the music off today, guys, because sick and tired of getting copyright claims from YouTube saying we're using people's music without the owner's rights, so we're just going to keep the music off today. So yeah, I'll just give you a little rundown. This is the home page here, which obviously you get your shortcuts along the bottom. You got your radio here, which I'll just give you a little demonstration here what the radio interface looks like. It does come with RDS, which you just need to switch over. As you can see, it's switched off there today, but as I said, I'll give you the station names. Your Bluetooth, okay, I've connected my phone today, got full phone book support. If you're going to be using the Carplay, the Android Auto, it is wireless on this version. We do have a cheaper alternative on the website, which is the basic price that you'll see in the link, but that tends to come with a wired Carplay, and it's a 4-core processor, but I'd say I would recommend going for 8-core because it comes with wireless, and not only that, it's pretty quick and responsive. Okay, music here. If you want to put your music on a pen drive, you can put it into one of the USB cables of the system, which basically you can allow your music through there. File manager, you can get rid of that if you want, but if it's good for uploading third-party applications on there, so say for example you want to put IPTV on there and you know that you can't get it from the App Store, simply go and download it from whoever gives you the app, off the uploader app, or downloader app should I say, put on a USB pen, or you can get it through that way. Gallery, pointless, pictures, whatever. Video play, similar to music, put your videos onto a pen drive and you can watch movies all day long. This one here, CarLink, is an interesting one. It's your CarPlay or the Android Auto app. Today I'm using an Apple phone, so I've set my Apple up to there, so obviously just for the purpose of the video you can see it going into CarPlay. A good little thing down here, the little icon there, see the little snowflake. This brings you into this interface here, which basically allows you to control air conditioning and stuff like that. 1 second. To be honest with you, I'll be truthful with you, I've just realised this interface only tends to work when you remove the buttons down below. So if you're ever installing this type of screen into one there, you'll see that these tend not to be working on. Let me just double check to see if I'm right. Yeah, they tend not to work, so you do have to use the physical buttons down below, which I'm doing. So as you can see, it still operates and it still shows you that it's working on there, but this screen is only applicable if you're removing AC buttons here. The fact that you'll have them further on down on this car is the fact that they obviously, because they're still in the car, you still use it as a normal, but these ones will operate, as you see, I'll just show you. So you can see the temperature going up and down as I'm turning the dial. So just be mindful, for this application here, will only work when you remove the panels, the button panel for all these AC. Now, as I say, we haven't done it today, so it'll still show on the system, but you still control it the same way. Okay, let's go back one to the home page. What else have we got here? Okay, just go back to CarPlay again. Didn't really go into that before. Brings applications from your phone. It's, to be honest with you, the Android side does a lot more than CarPlay, but it is a good interaction tool, this, because you can say the SIRI, I'm not going to say it because it'll just kick into action, or if you're using Google, you can say, hey Google, take me here, hey Google, call this person, hey Google, take me to Liverpool, whatever. So I'll just go show you 1 second. As you can see, it's nice and swift, so I'll just go back onto there anyway. Okay, so we're going to go into the back end settings, or the back end applications, should I say. So you just press that one there. This is where all your applications will go into. So some of them are on the home page. Also, just to let you know, you can customize these and change it if you want. So if you're using, for example, you want the Play Store on there, you can change them like that, so you can customize your home page if you want. So it's a little good feature. But all your applications will go into here. So if you download any from the Play Store, Netflix, YouTube and all that type of stuff, they will go into here, and then basically you would then, there's YouTube there, you would then basically have them on this application center here. I'll just go into the vehicle settings. So obviously it just shows you some of the car's computer information, which basically you add on the old radio there. So obviously I'll just go down here, let's have a little look. As you can see, there's a lot of features on here which is controlled through the old screen, which then would show onto ours. See some wipers settings, control settings, have a little look at that. So as you can see, there's a lot of information there from the old screen that you've pulled out the car to accommodate ours. So as you see, that's a good little feature, this, because this is classed on star. Let's have a little look at that. Okay, I don't know, that's not going to really play around with that today. Okay, let's have a little look. Steering wheel controls already works straight away. Play Store, you'll need to sign into this when you first get it. Just to give you, allows you to download your applications and stuff. I think that's it, guys. I don't think I've got much more to tell you on this. I'll just show you the back end settings here, which is let's have a little look. Cogwheel settings. So obviously in here is thing controls like where your SIM card information, your hotspot settings, stuff like that. Device, let's see, go to display, the sound. Also, this thing here is a little bit annoying, key sound. So if you turn that on, all you hear is basically beep, 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 beep if the sound's up. So I always switch that off because it's annoying on the video. I had a customer the other day saying they had one of the videos and he couldn't hear it because all he could hear was beep, beep, beep. Okay, yeah, just want to give you a little show of that. Also, if you're interested in going into the back end settings, which you don't really need to, it's our password 3368. So this takes you into here, but you don't really need to play around with that, other than, let's have a little look. One thing we do for the customer, switch that over to right hand drive, and also parking sensors we need to switch on. Okay, that's it. Yeah, alright, okay, hope you liked the video, guys. There's a lot more to the systems, but as I say, I don't want to keep you all day. If you got any questions, give us a shout, and I'll put the link down in the description down below. As always, I'll put our contact details in there too, so you're more than welcome to get in touch with us anytime. So hope to see you soon.
WITSON